Hello everybody, and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto, the channel where we cover the most important crypto news in just 5 minutes, back again with another crypto update. Bitcoin just broke out. Right now, the Bitcoin price is very close to $55,000, which is really crazy because if you asked me the price yesterday, well, it was about $49.50. A little bit closer to 51 at some point, so this is a crazy development. Now, of course, we've been warning for a Bitcoin breakout for a little while. Right now, it has actually been confirmed, and I would say that if over the next couple of hours the Bitcoin price stays above 50.5 thousand, that the next couple of months are going to be extremely bullish. Having said that, here are the most important pieces of news for today. First of all, fifth largest US bank is setting up Bitcoin custody with other cryptocurrencies to be supported soon. US Bank Corp has launched a cryptocurrency custody service for institutional investment managers with private funds in the US or Cayman Islands. The fifth largest US bank has more than $8.6 trillion in assets under management or in custody, and I can hear neighbors, I think, and administration, and $282 billion in assets under management as of June 30th, 2021. It was this week the bank announced the launch, saying Bitcoin service provider NYDIG will act as a sub-custodian. Quote, investor interest in crypto and demand from our fund services clients have grown strongly over the last few years, end quote, said Gunjan Kedia, vice chair of the bank's wealth management and investment services. It's been rather crazy if you start thinking about what type of parties have announced that they'll be working or are going to try work or, from some perspective, have heard from their clients, which are either institutional or high net worth individuals, that they want crypto support and they want it quickly. Then the Bank of America. 1/3 of the United States will use crypto till 2022. According to the research, crypto will grow massively in the next 30 years. So, a little bit strange of a statement, as I would think that the majority of us could indeed guess over the next 30 years crypto will definitely grow. However, there's just a new report which came out from the Bank of America, I think yesterday. They released a new 140-page report covering the digital asset industry, including NFTs, institutional investments, and rates of growth. And according to the report, the industry is still young and has great potential for future growth. 27% of the United States population will use crypto, according to research. Currently, about 14% holds it, and the percentage translates to about 21 million individuals who use crypto as financial holdings, payment tools, and more. The average crypto hodler is a Caucasian male, 38 years old, and he makes approximately $111,000 per year. In the end, though, guys, I'm not really sure what all that small stuff is really relevant. I mean, what the age group is not really that interesting. It's mostly interesting what the future tells us, and I'm going to keep saying it like ever, always. They know it, we know it. Crypto interest is going to keep going up as time moves on. It's going to go into all different sectors, but the interest is going to keep going up every single year by year by year by year. And then we also just saw this, that the SEC chair, Gary Gensler, has said that the US government will not ban crypto. Even though I wasn't really afraid that cryptocurrencies were ever going to be banned, as it was just kind of be impossible, it's still a very bullish and very nice thing for the government to come out and say, hey, we have no plans to ban it, we're not going to do that, we're just looking for the best way to properly regulate it. As, again, any sane person could see here, the best solution is to confront it head on, but with a solution/fix instead of confronting it head on with a freaking warhammer trying to get the battle going. Because ultimately, guys, Bitcoin would win. If it were to be a battle of attrition or whatever battle it would be, Bitcoin would win. They can make it very difficult for you to hold, but ultimately that would only more and more so show the need and really the purpose of Bitcoin, that the financial system is kind of skewed, not screwed up, but skewed towards the higher ups, basically. That's again what Bitcoin was kind of there for. And again, any ban in any way, shape, or form would kind of solidify that. So I think the government knows as well, if they were to pull through and pull such a stunt by banning it, that would only hurt them in the long run, and that's ultimately not what they want. So Jerome Powell also says the US won't ban crypto, because ultimately, guys, it's not in anybody's best interest to do so. So yeah, we're good on that front. I think, as I've said before, the crypto is only going to keep growing over the next couple of years. Fun fact, a lot of the people I speak to still don't know the difference between crypto and Bitcoin. And that shows you just how early you guys still are. It's a little fun fact. Thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video later today.